Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Math with Yasir Irfat. We have to discuss how to find out the middle term of the expansion a over x minus radical x power 16. Here we have to find out the middle term. Here the power is even, so the middle term formula will be equals to n plus 2 over 2. When we have to find out the middle term, we have to face two different type of the situation there. When the power is even, then the middle term formula will be n plus 2 upon 2th term here. So what is here? N is 16. So this is, and this is 18 over 2, and this is the ninth term is the middle term here. So we have to find out T9 here, and we have the formula here TR plus 1, that is equals to n combination R, a power n minus R and b power R. This is the formula. Here the middle term is ninth term is the middle term, and now we have to find out its value, that is the T9, the value of T9 here. So here T9 means here the R is 1. So here n is 16, R is 8. So this is 16 combination 8. A means a over x power 16 minus 8. Here b means minus radical x, that is the power 8. So here we are going to find out the value of the middle term here, that is the ninth term is the middle term, and now we have to find out the value of T9 here. So this is 16 combination 8. We have to find out the value 16 combination 8 with the help of the calculator here, and this is 8. Power is even, so negative will change into the positive. Radical means 1 upon 2, 8, 2 4s are 8. So there here. Now we have to use the calculator to find out the value of 16 combination 8 here. So here, dear students, focus here. First we have to press 16, then shift. Again listen, 16, then we have to press the shift, and then this is NCR combination, and then 8 and equals to 12870. This is the direct method to find out the combination by using calculator here. So 16 combination 8, it is 12870. Now we have to separate the power here. So this is a power 8, x power 8, and this is x power 4. So this is the T9 here, 12870, and this is a power 8, and we have to shift this 4 to the denominator here, and this is x power 4. So 12870 a power 8 divided by x power 4. This is the value of the middle term, that is T9 here. So here first we have to find out the middle term, and then we have to find out its value here. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.